It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Welcome back. You are tuned into your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Expresso, right here on S3 on your Friday morning. We can feel it. There's an energy in the air. But now, with the release of this morning's matriculation results, the journey towards our graduates' futures is now unfolding. It's an exciting period of their lives. And to celebrate this significant achievement, we are delighted to welcome a very special guest, Kapina Tjale, the marketing manager at iFundi. Now, iFundi stands out as more than just a training institution. It serves as a guiding force, actively shaping futuristic and technologically enabled careers. Kapina, thank you very much for joining us this morning. And first time I'm seeing you, so blessed 2024. Are you well?
Yes, I'm well. Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, such a pleasure. Let's get into it. It is an exciting time, but it is also a time, I think, of unsurety of what the next steps are, taking a look at the world that we are currently live in now with iFundi. How does iFundi address challenges that students face? Firstly, what are some of the challenges, and how do you go about to really create that innovative way of approaching those career guidance goals that you guys can put forward?
Okay, so iFundi is future ready, and we do that in 3 different ways. So we make sure that we develop students that are future ready with the digitally enabled skills. We also help uplift and upskill the workforce of the employer so that we have people who actually have the current skills that are needed in the market. And the third way that we do that is we develop ourselves as an institution. We make sure that we are at the forefront of the changing 4th industrial revolution. We make sure we keep up with technological improvements, and then we include that into our classrooms.
And you also offer a lot of guidance as well. So students can come to you guys and they can have a conversation and say, listen, this is kind of what I'm thinking. And you guys can say, listen, but this is what we are seeing in the market, right? Because I think that guidance is very important for any student coming to an institution like iFundi.
Yes, because even though there are a lot of graduates, employers are still saying that there is a skills shortage. So we make sure that our students have the correct skills that are in demand in the market right now. Look at the changes that AI has brought about. Yes. So yes, we make sure that we have students that can cater to different processes that are changing within the companies, so that employers can be well satisfied and we can have a generation of South Africans that are leading.
Yeah, exactly, leading, exactly. And that is what's needed in the workforce right now, because I mean, we are living in that kind of digital age. We spoke about some of the challenges that students face nowadays, and I think one of the biggest challenges is finding or securing the funds to finance their studies going further. But that's where you guys also step in with rather affordable payment plans.
Of course. So we start off by making our fees affordable, and our application fee is as little as 150, and the registration fee is 1,200. I know it is unheard of. We also help with student loans. We're in partnership with Capitec Smart Founder, and this helps you pay your fees up to 7 years. So you're given leeway even after you're done studying. And plus, we also help our students get work integrated learning, so you can earn while you learn, and then you'll be able to pay off your fees.
Yeah, you know what, that is exciting, because I mean, you can start your work as a student once you've gone through everything and continue paying off. But I mean, it sounds like you really make it possible, I think, for students, because it's a huge task for a youngster stepping into the study world and the work world to start securing and paying back. But I got to focus. I want to get into some success stories in just a minute, but you as a marketing manager, marketing plays such a vital tool in communicating, I think, important information. So how do you use your skill, marketing, to communicate to your students? What is the edge? What is the difference? How do you make it so that it lands? I think that's the point. We want to make sure that the information lands with the students. So that's a tough task on you as well.
I know, it really is. But we leverage the communication of our marketing to make sure that our consumers understand that your success is our promise. We promise to make sure that you have work experience by the time that you're done studying at iFundi. We also make sure that you have digitally enabled skills that are in demand in the market right now. And plus, you earn while you learn. This is done with with work integrated learning. So that is our promise, and we make sure as a marketing team that we get that across to our students. And we already have our phones ringing really loud. So yes, I think the message is getting across.
I love the fact that you say the experience, the work experience, because whenever you apply for a job, there's like work experience or what. That is one of the most important things accompanying whatever degree you are.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I know that you guys got so many success stories. I know people can also go read about them. But I mean, just in terms of students wanting to contact you, maybe watching the segment right now, how do they get in touch?
Please contact us on WhatsApp and also on our website, www.ifundi.co.za, and fill in the lead form, fill in your details, and then a consultant will call you in less than 24 hours.
Love it. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time being here, and I wish you and your team and the students going into 2024 all of the best. Appreciate it.
Yes, absolutely. Class of 2023, come and apply at iFundi.
WhatsApp them. The number was there. I love the fact that you're working on WhatsApp as well. Much easier than emails.
I know, right? Exactly. And prompt responses, that's what we promise.
Prompt responses, that's what they promised. iFundi, check them out, and wishing you all of the best. Go sign up, go check them out, go read incredible success stories, and you can deal with incredible people like this young lady over here.